In this module, let's look at string interning, string literal, and string object. The objective of this module is to learn about what is string interning, relation of string literal and string object, difference between equals method and equality operator, that is two equals, string interning, and the equality operator. Since strings are immutable, JVM can optimize the amount of memory allocated for them by storing only one copy of each literal string in the pool. This process is called interning. String S1 is assigned high literal. String S2 needs to be assigned the same value. Since literal high exists in memory, JVM returns a reference to its memory address without allocating additional memory. Hence, S1 and S2 refer to the same memory location, and the equality operator on S1 and S2 will return true. So the output of the program is high double equal high is true. String literal and string object. String object created using new operator will always create new object in memory. String object created using a string literal will create a new object only if identical string literal does not exist. If identical string literal exists, already existing object is returned. String S1 and S2 will refer the same object. Hence, the equality operator returns true. String S3 and S4 will refer to two different objects. Hence, the equality operator returns false. Let's look at equals versus the equality operator. The equals method compares the characters inside a string object, while the equality operator compares two object references to see if they refer to the same instance. Here S1 refers to the string instance created by literal high. The string object S2 is created with S1 as an initializer. The contents of S1 and S2 objects are identical, but they are distinct objects. S1 and S2 do not refer to the same object. Hence, the equality operator returns false while equals returns true, which is confirmed by the print statements. To summarize, we have learned that equals method is used to compare the contents of two strings, while equality operator is used to compare references of the two string objects. String interning is a process in which only one copy of a string literal is maintained in memory. If two string objects are assigned the same literal value, they both point to the same copy in memory. Hence, equals and equality return true. String object created using new operator will always create a new object in memory. String object created using a string literal will create a new object only if identical string literal does not exist. If identical string literal exists, already existing object is returned.